Hello, my name is Victoria Lee and welcome to the world of Glitterbeach. Glitterbeach is a social enterprise company. It was inspired by myself. 18 months ago I was given a month to live with no hope of survival as a result of Crohn's disease. I underwent a radical operation which has left me with a permanent stoma. When I went to look at what was available for stoma patients, there was very little, and what was there wasn't very attractive. So I then decided, being bedridden for 11.5 months, to patent a universal device and a range of swimwear which would give patients choice and is also going to be fashionable as well as practical. There is also going to be an online community to support patients and to also support the health service. A percentage from every item of beachwear sold will then be reinvested back into the local health services for research into inflammatory bowel disease, bowel cancer and stoma care. As well as that, there will be an information leaflet on bowel cancers, inflammatory bowel disease, melanoma and also urinary cancers, so as people are aware of the early warning signs and can go for help. The massive difference that Glitterbeach is going to make to people's lives is that it's going to bring in social acceptance by destigmatising stomas. In the future, people won't know who is a stoma and who hasn't because of the range of beachwear that we've actually perfected. The device has got dual use for people who don't have stomas, and also the fact that we're putting back into the health service, that we're looking at ways to explore how the Western diet is impacting on inflammatory bowel disease and bowel cancer, and the impact that's now having in the Far East. If we can look at those areas and try to bring improvements in the way that people eat and that people take care of themselves, and also encourage exercise by going into the pool and swimming, this is going to aid patients by raising their endorphins, which in turn will raise their self-confidence. Without the Firstport award, we couldn't have gotten to where we've actually gone. Sometimes dreams really can come true. This came out of an idea that I drew in the back of an envelope. I can't believe that less than 10 months on, I'm at the stage where we're going to launch at the end of March. But if it hadn't been for the Firstport award to help me to pay for the patent and the materials and the trademarking, we couldn't have done this. Their advice has actually been invaluable to me, and their guidance. Well, for Glitterbeach, I don't know so much about Victoria Lee, but for Glitterbeach, I would hope that we can improve things for patients, for everyone out there who has a stoma, for anyone out there who has inflammatory bowel disease. I hope that what we're doing will raise awareness, it will save lives, and also it will bring social acceptance to people with stomas. And I hope that the model that we plan to use, which will take pressure off the health services, will later be incorporated into other countries.